I like doing things on one take. In here we have a mini L09. We don't read instructions. We don't. It has a tripod. Let alone on the tripod, it has a remote control. And I haven't set this up yet. I'm not going to worry about it at this given time, but you don't want to lose it. Did I say this can fit a GoPro? But the only problem with it is you have a light. And if you long press the button on the side over here, you have a low, medium, high, and a fluorescent and high. 3 settings. So there you go. Long press it, shuts off. Now with the GoPro on it, over here you long press, and now you have a 1-axis stabilizer. Isn't that neat? GoPro already does a nice job stabilizing. So if you wanted to take portrait shot, hit it once, and now you could go take your shot. If you want to lock it, you can lock it. But if you go too fast, you may free the locking mechanism. What if you hit it 3 times or 2 times? 1, 2, 3. It's going to go into a calibration if you do it 2 times. And I don't want to do that with the GoPro on it, but we'll do it. 2 times, it should try to start to calibrate. And let me shut it off. Take the GoPro off. Put on a smartphone for you and show you that calibration. We're going to go 1, going to long press it, and go 1, 2. Now it's going to start to do its calibration and reset. And that's how long it takes to do a nice job. Once it's finished, my phone's upside down. You turn your light on, nighttime. Well, it's not light enough, and then you go ahead, take your video. Oh, that's neat. Do I need to show you a video? Not at all. I've taken enough of your time. I do want to show you one more thing. Hold it, extend it to 3 feet. Kind of heavy up there because your phone is heavy. And you have to have a good grip. If you don't have a good grip and this is not closed all the way, you may drop it. That's the only downside I could think of. Just be careful. Close it up. It's all locked up. Take your phone off. Fold it up. Really compact. And you can simply just make sure you shut your gimbal off. There it is. Joom, under $50. How bad can you go? It's got a tightening bolt. Put it back in its case and have a great day. Don't forget to read those instructions. You may never know. Have a great day, everybody.